How to create a poll on Tumblr. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a poll on Tumblr. In order to do so, first of all, open your Tumblr application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Now, in this home page, at the bottom right, you'll be able to locate the pencil icon. Tap on your pencil icon in order to create a new post. Now, once you reach to this editing space, here at the bottom, you'll be able to locate different icons. Tap on these three horizontal bars like icon next to the headphone icon at the bottom, and then you'll be able to see the poll. Here now you will need to type in your question and your answers. Tap on the field and enter your question. After entering your question and answer, here at the bottom you'll be able to see two different options. If you would like to add one more answer to your poll, you can simply tap on this answer option and then a new answer field will be pop up. Here you can now enter your new answer. And if you would like to remove it, simply tap on the cross button at the right side of it to remove it. And at the right side, you'll be able to see this 1 day option. From here you can choose how long you want your poll to remain active. Tap on it and then select your duration. After that, simply tap on the post option at the top right to publish it. After that, you will see you have successfully created poll on Tumblr. In order to check that, you can tap on the profile icon at the bottom right, and in the space, make sure you have select this post tab, and under it here you will be able to see your created poll. Now you can check time to time in order to see who voted for which option. So by following these steps, you can create and share polls with your audience on Tumblr. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.